Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you feeling today? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class that is in English for grade 4, and we are learning unit number 13, and its title is A Courageous Woman. So, my dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can amend it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture, lecture number 6, we will learn about leadership, how we can lead anyone. Before in English for grade 3, my dear students, we have already learned about lead and follow in a group. So I hope you remember it. If you were not, so you can watch this video lecture again. So today we are going to learn more about it. So our today's student learning outcome is demonstrate conventions and dynamics of oral interactions in group to lead and follow. So today we are going to learn about to lead, how we can lead anyone, and if someone is leading to us, how we can obey or follow. Yes, my dear students, so Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah An-Nisa, verse number 59, O you who believe, obey Allah and obey the messenger and those in authority among you. So yes, my dear students and my dear fellow teachers, this beautiful verse is telling us about the command of Allah, that what is being said by Allah Almighty, so how we have to follow, and if obey Allah and obey messenger, as we know that Allah sent to us messengers, that they conveyed Allah's message to us. So in this way, after them, so if there is on authority who is guiding us, leading us, so we have to follow them. So there is a clear message that those in authority among you, so what we have to do, we have to obey them. Okay, so today we are going to learn about that topic, my students. So see there, first of all, we are going to refresh our knowledge. What does lead and follow mean? Yes, my dear students, you have already learned about this. So pause the video, my dear teachers, and get answer from your students. Excellent job. I hope you have done it in a nice way. So let's see, what does lead and follow mean? So what is a lead? Lead means a person who has been given an authority to command, and follow means to obey the instructions are given by the leaders. So yes, my dear students, so lead means a person who has been given an authority. So when we are giving an authority to a person, that you have to lead a person, a group of people, or any team, so this is called leadership. So lead, we can say the word lead, that lead, in lead we can get that they will give, he or she will give us instructions. He will guide us on every step, that how we have to move, how we have to complete our task, if there is a special task and he or she is leading in this task. So this is called leadership. We have to follow the instructions. So what this is follow. How we can follow means when these instructions are being given to us by an authority, by our leaders, so we have to follow them. We have to do same like that, that the rules and regulations are being given by our leaders. Okay, so who can be leader? So we can see there, yes, a leader, you can see there is a person, a leader can be a one person. Okay, so if we are following, definitely we will follow one person. So there is a leader, you can see there is a group of people are following. He is walking and they are behind, and it means he is leading them. Okay, my dear students, so have you got? So see there, what is leadership? Leadership is the art of encouraging a group of people toward achieving a common goal. So leadership is the art of encouraging people. So when we encourage people, group of people, when we have a special task and we have to fulfill it. So our leader will guide us to a special task because we are working on an aim, any goal, any task that we have to cover up. That so this is called leadership. When our leader guides us, that whole procedure is called leadership. Okay, next, by following a leader, we can perform well because a leader guides on every step and lead us towards success. So yes, what is the benefit if we follow our leader? So what is the benefit? Yes, we perform well. Our performance will be well because we are getting instructions on every step of life and in all days and on each task that we are performing. So we are getting instructions. So when we get instructions, so definitely we follow. And when we follow proper instructions, so what will we? Yes, so we will move towards success. We will get our goal. So that is our goal. So we will be able to get it in a nice way. Okay. So this is called leadership, my dear students. So now we will get through examples. Who are leaders? Yes. So what are they? Parents as a leader. So we can get our parents as a leader. Always parents are good leaders towards their for their kids. Okay. Parents are always, because parents guide us how we have to live, how we have to move, and how we have to care about ourselves. Our parents guide us nicely. Okay. So parents are also leader. Good. Next example. See there. Teacher. Yes. Teacher as a leader. So your teacher is always leader. You can see that in class, how teacher guides us, that how we have to sit, how we have to read, how much time we have to give to our studies, and how much time we have to spend in other activities. Teacher in school time, teacher always guiding us. And he or she does not guide us just in studies. She is also preparing our personality also. She also performs our role play to develop our personality, that how we have to behave in social circle. Okay. So what is our social circle? In marriages, if we are going, if we are moving in society, this is called our social circle. Okay. If we are at home, if guests are coming at home, how we have to behave. So parents, teachers also work as a leader. Okay. So see what is there? Yes, here is another thing that you are facing in your class also, my dear students. Class monitor as a leader. Yes, so always class monitor is also a leader. So who is class monitor? That one has been given authority by teacher. Okay, if teacher is absent, in the absence of teacher, if teacher is not present in your class, so definitely there is a student who is called class monitor. So you must follow his or her instructions, because he is also answerable to teacher. So you must follow, because in class mostly we don't follow, students don't follow that. Why we should follow that? He is also student, but he has been given authority by teacher. So okay, keep remember, my dear students, your class monitor is also a leader. Why he is a leader? Because he or she has specific qualities to lead others. Okay, have you got, my dear students? Good. So let's perform an activity. Yes, my dear teachers, open book, page number 106. There is a question number 9. The team captain will lead their team members while playing cricket. Team members have to follow their lead. Okay, my dear teachers, get your students out of class for 10 minutes, 10 to 12 minutes you have. So I'm waiting for you. Prepare a team and guide them how the whole team will follow their captain. Okay, I'm waiting for you. Pause the video, perform this activity. Welcome back. Excellent. And I hope you have enjoyed, because you were outside of class, out of the room, and you have enjoyed that how we can follow our leader. Good job. So there is that reading a comprehension. There is question number A, 9 years old computer genius, on page number 106, my dear students. So read out all that passage that is given in your book on page number 107. and give question number 10. After reading the interview, complete the sentences with suitable words. After reading all that, my dear teachers, you will also guide to your students. So get all these questions and fill the blanks on the book. So I am waiting for you. Pause the video and perform this activity on your book. Excellent job. Good. I hope you have got that. Who is she? Yes, she's a computer genius, Alpha Kareem. Homework. So what our homework for today? Guess and write 10 qualities of a leader in your notebook. So you will guess, you will find, and you will write 10 qualities. Which type of people can be a leader? So you will write 10 qualities of a leader in your notebook. So yes, my dear teachers, this is worksheet, and this worksheet link is given below. You should provide it to your students in printed form and get that how much knowledge they have got about leader, and they will fill in the leader, that word bank is there, so they will fill the blanks. Okay, so what we have learned today? Today we learned about leadership. We got awareness how to lead and follow people in groups. So in this way, we have covered up our SLO, demonstrate conventions and dynamics of oral interactions in groups to lead and follow. So yes, my dear teachers and my dear students, I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture. Tomorrow with a new lecture, we will meet soon, inshallah. Till that, stay blessed. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.